Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Self-Control Meditation, Chapter 6, Shloka 4. When a man is not attached to sense objects or to actions, having renounced all thoughts, he is said to have attuned to yoga.
Chapter 6, Shloka 4. Yata hinendriyarteshu na karmasvanusajjate sarva sankalpa sannyasi yogarudastadochyate.
Chapter 6, Shloka 4. The three stages to reach the perfection were explained in the last shloka, which are desire-prompted activity, desireless activity, and deep meditation. In this shloka, we will learn to judge for ourselves when we have reached the end of the second stage or the stage of yoga. Lord says that when one is not attached to sense objects or actions and all thoughts have been renounced, then he is said to have attained to yoga. Withdrawal from activity is only advised when one has developed mastery over the mind. To renounce the activity at an earlier stage is as unhealthy as to continue disturbing the mind with activities after it has reached the second stage, for then quiescence is required for gathering speed in the third stage. Lord describes the physical and mental conditions of the seeker when he has developed mastery over the mind. He says, when one is feeling no mental attachment to the sense objects or to the actions in the outer world, it is one of the symptoms of perfect mastery over the mind. He has found that equipoise which is required at the time of self-application. The sense organs can run out to the sense objects only when the mind is flowing out through the sense organs, but when the mind is engaged in the contemplation of the self, of the great truth, providing a greater joy within, it will no more want to run out to enjoy the flickering joys of the sense contacts with the sense objects. In this third stage, the mind is not gushing out through the sense channels or through the fields of egocentric activities and is completely engaged in the contemplation of the self. He who has gained complete mastery over his mind, thus withdrawn from all physical external activities and also free from all thought eruptions and sankalp disturbances in itself, is the one who at that moment in meditation, in that inward state, said to have attained yoga. This can be intensified only by quietude. Learn more in the next shloka, in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.